First, the top news headlines. Manipur government to issue ILP cards to outsiders, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Now enough petroleum products in stock, says Minister Karam Shyam. And Supreme Court refuses to stay Citizenship Amendment Act. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. The 3-day 9th session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly has begun this morning. During the 3-day session, Chief Minister N. Biren will present the 11th report of the Business Advisory Committee 2019, while MLA Joy Kishan and MLA R.K. Imu will call the attention of N. Biren on the apprehension of influx of migrants despite the implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur. Conservation of dwindling wetlands in Manipur and other issues will also be discussed during the assembly session. Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren today told the House that all necessary formalities related to inner line permit will be completed within January 1st next year. Replying to opposition leaders Joy Kishan and R.K. Imu during call attention motion on ILP card distribution to outsiders and on how BJP national leaders Ram Madhav got a card and other related questions, Biren, who is also the House leader, credited the former government in the state, students, women folk and different pressure groups for implementation of ILP in Manipur. He also lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and other BJP leaders at the centre for extending ILP to the state. Further, N. Biren said his government is now working on collecting data from ILP implemented neighbouring states regarding the procedures of the new law, and also he mentioned about formulating rules and regulations in the state under the ILP system. Further, he expressed that around 7 to 8 places in the border areas are now listed and necessary steps have been taken up according to ILP system. He also maintained that a new software on ILP will be developed soon. In connection to the mass agitation in Assam against the Citizenship Amendment Act, people in Manipur were disrupted with scarcity of petrol and petroleum products. However, Manipur Consumers Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam, during a press meet held at the Minister's office in Old Secretariat, Imphal today, said that there are enough petroleum products in stock and will be available sufficiently at every oil pumps in the state from tomorrow. He asserted several oil tankers have reached the state since yesterday via Imphal-Jirybaam route. However, it takes 10 days to reach Imphal from Dimapur route, as compared to 5 days on Imphal-Dimapur route.
Ngarang sutak train thoi the poll Yorokre aduga ngasina 128 the TTC Yoraba petrol ki depot ki capacity malong ise 5,592 KL ISD diesel gisna 10,980 amana numitra ngane ge stock thambaya aduga petrol gina diesel gina 20 days thambaya bani hayeng dagidi Prajana Darkar gi matungina aigi darkar level petrol diesel singsi lobiraga Manipur Sarkar ki site gi tawbinaba maduma thamjagi haidana ngasigi press ki oiba conference maroina tawjabani.
The Supreme Court today decided to examine the constitutional validity of the Amendment Citizenship Act, which provides Indian citizenship rights to non-Muslim migrants of Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan, but refused to stay its operation. The top court issued notice to the Centre on a batch of pleas challenging the Citizenship Amendment Act. according to reports. A bench comprising Chief Justice A.C. Bofde and Justices B.R. Gawai and Surya Khan fixed 59 petitions, including those filed by the Indian Union Muslim League and Congress leader Jairam Ramesh, for hearing on January 22 next year. The Indian Union Muslim League, one of the petitioners which has challenged the CAA, said in its plea that it violates the fundamental rights to equality and intends to grant citizenship to a section of illegal immigrants by making an inclusion on the basis of religion. Parliament recently cleared the act which grants citizenship rights to religious minorities such as Hindus, Christians, Sikhs, Parsis, Jains and Buddhists who have come to India on or before December 31, 2014. President Ram Nath Kovind had given assent to the Citizen Amendment Bill 2019 on December 12, turning it into an act. Several petitions have been filed challenging the constitutional validity of the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019, including by RJD leader Manoj Jha, Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra, AIMIM leader Asaduddin Owaisi. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, on the other hand, said that the population of Muslims has not reduced in India, but the population of Hindus has reduced in Pakistan because they are being persecuted. Muslims are not being persecuted in India, he added. Speaking on CAA, he said that Citizenship Amendment Act won't be rolled back as it is committed to give citizenship and a dignified life to refugees persecuted for the last 70 years. Firing salvo at the opposition, the BJP president said that rumors and misinformation are being spread by the opposition parties, and they are to be blamed for the present situation of the country. The opposition is misleading the students by spreading rumors against CAA, and they are inciting violence for their own political gain, the Home Minister added. He also said that Pakistan has failed to give equal rights to the minorities. On the other hand, the minorities in Pakistan are persecuted and they are forced to convert their religion. And now let's have short break. Next, 16th State Level Orange Festival 2019 concludes. More after the break.
Perfect cakes for every occasion. 7 Heaven, a slice of happiness. Now at Imphal. Already completed first year anniversary. 7 Heaven is a pure veg and provide fresh cake in just 7 minutes with live kitchen concept. 7th Heaven is the largest bakery chain in India with products like 3D cakes, cupcakes, macarons, donuts, tarts, brownies, cheesecakes and much more. Please visit 7 Heaven, Soibam Laikai, Janims Road, Porompat, Imphal or contact us at 9366 818 369. The Chopstick Buddies, authenticity of China, now at Imphal. The Chopstick Buddies is a corner store in the Brewbags family, recognized for its classic Chinese foods, personalized atmosphere, excellent service and genial staff members. We offer a range of vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods prepared by expert chefs using fresh and quality ingredients. Please come and visit for the best Chinese cuisines at Imphal, Soibamlikai Jenims Road, Porompat, Imphal East, or contact us at 8731847066.
Yang what?
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo Koknaba Rebalance.
Soktabadu Koknaba Rebalance. Rebalance na Haksang Sol, Amadi electrolytes in the Awapa Mekatuna, Adongi Haksangu Tagatikna Tambangamali. Rebalance Habadi, electrolytes Amadi Energy.
Kurumjari Lamjingba Finance Namakal Kudimaki Gari Singh Habadi, 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles Amadi commercial equipment Singable loan Pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani
amadi adongi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano makal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan lauzare Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pisari
akupa marol gidamakta lengsin birau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Havam Diwan Lekai
ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets krayenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sigi sets anu yorokuni, ma'am. Inbi.
Je. Sisam phazadro. Sisam phazadro je. Yam elegance ui.
Mobile furniture and wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pijari.
Welcome back. The 16th State Level Orange Festival 2019 that began on 16th of this month concluded today at Tamenglong Apollo Ground located in Tamenglong District Headquarters. Orange eating competition, cultural dances and special songs from school students mark the closing day. A volleyball match between Malek Tama and RNYO Tamenglong Lungrian was also played as part of the event. Addressing the gathering as chief guest, Outer Manipur MP Dr. Lorho Foje stated that oranges grown in Tamenglong are one of the most precious gifts in the state. He underlined on the need of keeping a cold storage so as to preserve oranges. He also assured assistance to individuals of the region who is in need of a startup. Later, Orange Queen contest and musical concert will be held as part of the closing ceremony. '69 Battalion CRPF Manipuri today inaugurated a bus and auto rickshaw waiting set under the supervision of Central Reserve Police Force Nagaland and Manipur sector at Hengang Awang Lekai. The program was held as part of the Civic Action Program 2019-2020. Commandant of the battalion Om Karnat presented gift to Marjing Sporting Club in connection with the program. Speaking on the occasion, Om Karnat highlighted on various developmental activities taken up by the battalion for the villages under the Civic Action Program. He also assured on CRPF battalion fulfilling the demands of the villagers in days to come.
The love and affection of this village which has been shown to our unit, I thank all the gentlemen and the ladies present over here. Not wasting much time, I assure you that in future also, whenever we are given to conduct a program, this village will get one in days to come.
Foundation stone for construction of Kainong Market under Oinam constituency was laid today. MLA of Oinam constituency L. Radhakishore Singh, who is also chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, President of Kainong Bazar Development Committee Mongjam Khomdon, member of Kainong Jila Parishad in Somananda, Pradhan of Kainong Gram Panchayat NG Savana Devi, BDO of Nambol CD Block Bobo Chandam and wife of donor Y. Sanatoy were the main guests. Pradhan Savana Devi said that steps are being taken to get wages for job cards holder of the area under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. She also said that funds from the material cost and line department will be utilized for the construction of the market and urged the public to support in fulfilling it. Speaking on the occasion, MLA L. Radhakeshwar said that proper measures should be taken and investigation is required as thefts are on the rise in the state. He further said that central funds allocated for the development of the state should not be misused.
Respected persons in the city, India, college Kangat Lara, Hagi Diagram, Hanging Nangin Doba, Akushu Tamaseva, Kunupu Kari Legeva, I was sorry to Sukari Koneri Geva, I don't know the Canada, Nango was a very set, Masigi, Yama Labo Kiva Kumatamne, Maramasan, especially in the media, Kamuda, Peshahuranga Topiro. MGS in our register Narega Pesha Service and Buddhist Kano Grand Panchayat Masiki Pesha Asiki building is Hadore Manipur Punamu, Mrs. Halabo Honabu, Haidana, Rajasogi Apsito, Zaragana Sigiti, Mayampanamoku, and Kurumzeri, Mayamu Canada Yatanizeri.
It may be mentioned that Kaino Bazaar will be constructed under the joint funding of Pradhan Jila Parishad and MLA Local Area Fund under AMG and REGA. The market is targeted to complete by March 2020. The market will benefit not only the residents of Kaino but also residents of Nungang, Loibol, Tingay Kuno, Tingay Kulin, Wainem, Yumnam Kuno, etc. The religious march by a group of people from Segarot, Dobi Machulerk was stopped by the security personnel at Kaisampat Lemizam Lekai today. The group was heading towards Kangla to seek condemnation of the Citizenship Amendment Act. One of the protesters slammed the claim by the center that the act will not affect Northeast and stated the act as undemocratic. The protesters held placards condemning the act. A 12-bedded pediatrics intensive care unit in fond memory of Luningla Elizabeth was dedicated at Mother's Care's Children's Hospital and Research Center, Sagolban Moirang Lerak, Imphal today. It may be mentioned that late Luningla Elizabeth was daughter of Francis Ngajokpa, former MLA of Sanapati. The function was attended by Chairman cum Managing Director of the hospital, Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar Singh and Francis Ngajokpa, along with friends and family. Dr. Ratan Kumar said that such initiative is the first of its kind in Manipur. Mother's Care Children's Hospital has been in the forefront in initiating charitable causes with facilities of treatment of heart diseases in children free of cost.
Please give me some people.
And now let's have another short commercial break, but next, 3-month self-defense coaching kicks off. More after the breaks.
Admission open. New Public Higher Secondary School, Khangabok. Pre-nursery to class 9. Academic session starts from 6 January 2020. Boarding for boys and girls separately. Extra class for all subjects of boarding section. Transportation, bus and van services. Admission fee for nursery only Rs 1,300 with tuition fee free and t-shirt free. For more details, please contact Principal, New Public Higher Secondary School, Khangapok. Contact number 700-527-3784 or 8731854982. Lengsin bidau. Hangbiragani mafam asida makhal kaya gi genuine oiba imported amasung Indian brand gi fitness and bodybuilding gi supplements sing. Loina na Indian brand Green X Nutrition gi distributors oizari. Ngasimak lengsin biro anti-nutrition store Iron Gym, Singzamai Sapam Laikai near Singzamai Parking. Contact us at 730-8692-560. Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features, mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787-307-245.
Manipur Miyam gi nungairaba paujel. British Clinical Excellence Award Panglaba Heart ke ana layang da sahi kuntra gi matak experience leiraba Dr. L. Shyam Kishore Manipur gi ahan mamasung amat ngairaba FRCP London oiraba Heart Specialist asigi makada Sky Hospital da pung kumari chupna heart ki makal maka kaya gi ana layang bagi khudong chaba phangbigani miyam na pambibagi matung inna OPD consultation su pijari matam di ayuk pung nipan dagi ama phawba nungthil pung ani dagi manga phawba loinana RBSK gi card pairaba singi oinadi OPD amadi eco free oizagani Sky Hospital na pijariba atoppa khudong chaba singsu lobi ho akupa marol gi damak reception ga tanabi
Pakong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan toge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan toge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changnai na coaching tawhanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12th exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Traditional Healing Center. Adungai ipaipu haktaktagi sanaraklaba maite hidang na laying jari. Iramdamda fangliba manamasing kaya sizinaduna side effect laitana laying jari. Hakchangi mari suba saru sayang samba amadi singli lonsinaba khaktanatana haksang fagatpangamdana leiba kaya fagalhan mangamba laying ni. Ngasi maglengsin biro Traditional Healing Center, National Game Village Road, Lamfelpad 795004. Contact number 961-255-8587.
Welcome back. Superintendent of Police Bishnupur Priyadarshini Laishram kicked off a 3-month self-defense coaching for women, girls and children today at Ibudau Thangzing Community Hall, Thanga Ithing. The coaching was jointly organized by People's Resource Development Association, Bishnupur and Laisafal Ithing, in collaboration with Action Aid Association India. Headmaster of Thanga Wangma Junior High School, A. Manau, founder of International Kung Fu and Kickboxing India and international referee T.H. Norendru, Secretary of PRDA L. Suranjoy and Assistant Secretary Dr. H. Roman attended the launching program. SP Priyadarshini said that with the increase in crime against women, it is at most important for women to learn self-defense tactics. Priyadarshini also stated that there are many laws to protect women and child. Priyadarshini lauded PRDA Bishnupur and Laisafal for conducting such self-defense coaching. Around 40 women of Laisafal and children are taking part in the coaching. A 3-day Kishan Vani Impact Assessment and Capacity Building Workshop for All India Radio's Kisan Vani program, producers of Eastern and Northeastern region, kick off today at the conference hall of Central Agricultural University, Imphal. The workshop was jointly organized by All India Radio, Imphal and Makokchung under the sponsorship of Ministry of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Government of India and Directorate General AIR New Delhi. The opening program was attended by Program Head AIR Imphal Robinson Sanati, Assistant Director of Program AIR Dr. K.C. Sinha, College of Agriculture Dean Dr. S. Indira and program producers of various AIR stations of the country. Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Director K.H. Sayakiran said that income of the farmers must be improved as India depends on agriculture. Sayakiran added that the farmers will be benefited through the Kisan Vani programs of AIR. During the afternoon session of the workshop, resource person gave speeches on the topic capacity building on social media outreach, doubling of farmers' income by 2022 and need for skill development of small and marginal farmers of Northeast state.
AIR has been dedicating to the service of farming community with this initiative since 15th of February 2004. The role of Kisan Valley is to educate the farmers by broadcasting programs covering a wide spectrum of topics on agricultural and allied fields and provide latest information and knowledge to the farming community.
Jiribam Police along with CID SB personnel remained on high alert in the border area post the extension of inner line permit system in the state. According to TOMTV sources, Cops in Jiribam and Crime Investigation Department CID posted at foreigner checkposts have been verifying outsiders coming into the state even before ILP was implemented in Manipur. Moreover, the district police are constantly monitoring the vulnerable locations of Jiribam, including the Jiri River, where illegal migrants from Assam are likely to enter. Jelarong United Front flushed out a camp of an Asian youth located at Sabunglong, Laisok village, part 2 of None district, seizing one AK rifle, one 9am pistol and a Lenovo laptop. According to sources, JUF has issued stern warnings to an Asian youth to leave Jelarong inhabited areas. Sources further said that the Asian youth had been indulging in extortion activities, kidnapping of contractors and causing unrest to the villagers. The Supreme Court today dismissed a review petition filed by one of the 4 death row convicts in the 2012 Nirbhaya case of gang rape and murder. According to media reports, declining a plea by convict Akshay Kumar Singh, the court said he had assailed the findings of the 2017 judgment which can't be permitted under the review jurisdiction. A bench of Justices R. Banumati, Ashok Bhushan and A.S. Bopanna noted review petitions of 3 other convicts in the case that had already been dismissed. Justice Banumati today pronounced the judgments hours after granting him an open court hearing of more than mandatory 30 minutes in death penalty cases. To be mentioned, the 23-year-old paramedic student was brutally gang raped on the intervening night of December 16 and 17 of 2012 inside a running bus in South Delhi. She died on December 29 at Mount Elizabeth Hospital in Singapore. Now let's have the sports news. ECHL Club Dibong defeated JYC by 4-3 in today's match of 18th Radhamani Memorial First Division Football League Tournament 2019. The match was played at Jiribam Higher Secondary School playground. 6 teams are taking part in the tournament, which began from December 6. The next match will be held between Kagalung FC and PFC. Before we end this bulletin, let's see the top news headlines once again. Manipur government to issue LP cards to outsiders, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Now enough petroleum products in stock, Minister Karam Shyam. And Supreme Court refuses to stay citizenship amendment act. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.
Thank you.